Check it out, you guys. Just got done with this build in the shop. It's a one-of-one, custom-built Barra 1100Z 22 caliber. Got the HP Hush moderator on there. Keep the noise down. 480cc carbon fiber bottle. 3K reg with the custom ball adapter drop lock on there. Got the M-Lock bipod, Terminator, tactical stock, pistol grip, adjustable shoulder rest, Discovery ED PRS 5-25 scope on there. This 22 cal Barra is making 50 plus FPE, so it's really slinging that lead down range. A lot of power behind it. We got all that power from custom internal power porting and power mods, and a 500mm FX slug barrel.